All right, so we're here at 2000 Parnell Avenue here in Los Angeles. There were no mainline cleanouts available for the actual main house. There's a cleanout for the little guest house that we'll run our camera through to inspect that line. But right now we got our camera in from a roof vent because that's the only place we could gain access to, which we want to look at the main sewer line over here. Right now, we're right at the property line, 6.5 feet deep, where we have a blockage in the line. You can see it's filled with water, but if you pull the camera back slowly, there is roots over there. I did see it turns over there. There were some roots over there. That's causing the blockage over there. Coming up at a 45-degree angle until it goes horizontally here, the cast iron pipe running through the front garden is definitely getting a little old. There's no doubt about it. It definitely has some rust buildup in it. Definitely getting old, but you've never had a problem outside here. So you see, the key with this kind of thing is never to flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, because you can see how paper can get stuck to the rough edges of the cast iron. Now, if you haven't had a problem over here, that's good. Obviously, you're doing the right thing. You're not flushing those things that I'm telling you about. You can see the pipe is definitely getting old. You see there how paper and that catches. But it's flowing. I mean, it's functioning. Old, though. Getting definitely old. So, probably, if you continue doing as you have been doing, you might never have a problem. At least I've located where it comes out the house there for you. You could install a clean out over there, just in case the line does block up. You have somewhere to clean it out. It's either that or you replace it, but obviously you would do it with a pipe bursting system if you have problems with the line.
And if you did the clean out, you could do the clean out at the time of when you need to do the fixing it?
You could, yeah. Well, you mean...
You would do it in advance just to have it
Yeah, that's a good idea, is to have it in advance. Oh. See, now we're definitely underneath the house. It's also getting a little rough, but looks a little better under the house. You see? It looks a little bit better here, the pipe.
I can see what you mean, yeah. So it's not hasn't been corroded from the soil all around it.
Probably, yes.
And we have a little crawl space. You could see the pipes.
Okay, well, yeah, you see, that's why this is probably a little bit better than what we've got outside the house, buried under the ground.
And this is all presumably the original from the 1930s?
This is all the original pipe. Yeah. So here we are coming up the roof vent here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the recording and we'll go to that clean out over there where the guest house is, Okay, running the camera now from the 3-inch clean out with the pipe at the back of the house for the guest house. We reach the same point over here. Goes to cast iron, and then what it does, it's going to come flat over here. It comes to ABS plastic for the rest of the way. And this is all in pretty good condition over here. So I spoke to the owner of the house. I gave him a couple of recommendations, tell him what to do. So we're just going to bring the camera back here. This all looks pretty good. Okay, here it comes out of the clean out. We'll go ahead and stop the recording over here.